Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Health Minister Dr Christopher Tufton says Usain Bolt has now been officially informed that he has been tested positive for COVID-19. The great retired global sprint, the legendary Usain Bolt, has contracted the COVID-19 virus. Bolt took a COVID-19 test on Saturday and returned the positive yesterday. The retired sprinter is to proceed into isolation as he recovers from the virus. It is immediately clear that Bolt is not experiencing any symptoms connected with the virus due to a video that he published on his Instagram page. COVID-19 has symptoms similar to the influenza virus. It affects different people in different ways. Here is the video of what Usain Bolt has posted.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed of COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay for my friends. And also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy, and just to make people know, be safe out there. Alright? Cool.
Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Bolt is widely recognized as the greatest sprinter to have ever lived. He is among the most prominent global figures to have contracted the COVID-19 virus as the pandemic continues to spread across the globe. With Bolt having contracted the virus, this means that a host of associates and friends are to be tested for COVID-19, given that the multiple world record holder attended a surprise party recently which was organized in commemoration of his birthday.
You don't have to worry about it.
Now I'm up here. Wake up, Chris. Okay, remember you're an international based player.
Give me the end.
Give me the end.
Give me the end. Give me the end. Give me the end.
Give me the end. You get it.
Everybody can dance.
Yes.
I love the light go to dance.
Yes.
And everybody can dance.
Yes.
The 95 them can dance.
Yes.
The church people can dance.
Yes.
The wicked people can dance.
Yes.
The band of them can dance.
Yes. Hold on, you know.
Warm and easy. Warm and easy then. See the ball of there going can dance. Everybody can dance.
What's your now? Listen to me now, Sterling. Sterling. If you can't do the dance, walk out of the car, take the key from anybody who you give, start the car and drive home and go home go sleep. Anybody can do the dance here. Only just lie down on the ground and play there. Security, everybody over there, sir. Stop it, I need you. We can't party now. We can't party now. We can't party now. Listen to me now.
Now let us look at the Corona Meter, day 168, published 7 p.m. Monday, August 24, 2020 by Jamaica Gleaner. Confirmed cases is 1,612. The number of deaths so far is 16. There are 819 recoveries and 705 active cases. Imported cases are 439. Contact of a confirmed case is 479. The number of cases under investigation is 325. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.